After almost a decade in the finance industry with an accounting degree and qualification, one of the lessons I have learned is to spot the true markers of wealth. So in this video, I'll be sharing with us the 6 reasons why you might feel like you are lagging behind, especially in your finances. Let's dive into the truth about why you are feeling that way, and most importantly, how you can use that to your own advantage. The first reason is that you are making upward comparisons. This upward comparison is looking at people who seem like they have more than you do. These people might show that they have more money, better life, and a more luxurious lifestyle. And then on the other hand, downward comparison means that we compare ourselves to people who appear far less fortunate and unsuccessful than we are. We as humans, myself included, find it more easier to compare ourselves with people who look like they are doing way better than us. We are naturally wired to always upwardly compare ourselves, our successes to other people. But the thing is that most of the time, what we see when we look up is just an illusion, and it always looks so enticing. So many people use tools and structures to make their lives and their finances look far more impressive than they actually are. The comparison that really matters are with those people who always invest for their future. Always compare yourselves with people who put their money and resources towards their personal growth, education, and skills. These investments may not look as flashy or visible right now, but they increase a person's future value and reduces their future obligations. And this is a more fulfilling approach to personal finance. The second reason why you feel like you are lagging financially behind is that you don't know what you stand for. You don't have your priorities straight. Most of the time, we compare ourselves with other people when we don't know what we stand for. And this does not only apply to finance, it applies to every aspect of our lives. If you constantly focus on what other people have, what they are doing, you are always going to feel like you are lagging behind. I remember when I was about to quit my job a couple of months ago. All my closest friends were climbing the corporate ladder. They were getting promoted, and everything seemed like it is going well for them, while I, on the other hand, was making a huge step backwards. I decided to completely change what I was doing, to learn, to study, and grow in a completely different direction. Although a part of me was scared, and to be very honest, I am still scared up to now, but at the same time, I still don't feel like I am missing out. I know that this direction that I am currently on is going to make me so much happier, so much fulfilled, because I'm in 100% control of my time while I am growing every day and learning from my mistakes. If I had allowed that comparison to take hold of me, I would still be in a place where I would be miserable and I would be far less happy than I currently am. When it comes to finances, knowing what you stand for is always very important, because if you don't align your finances with what is important to you, to what you truly stand for, you will always feel like you are lagging behind. The third reason is that you are not learning, and this is my favorite one in all this list, because instead of asking why does this person have so much money money, you can always ask, how is he or she making so much money? How are they achieving it? And how can I also achieve it and achieve way more while aligning my achievements with what truly makes me happy, with what I value, with what is important to me? This shift changes your envy or your comparison into curiosity and growth. We often think other people have it all figured out, especially when they look like they have way more success than we are. It is so much easier to believe that they are just lucky or they have an unfair advantage, and that is why everything seems to be working out for them. But instead of thinking that way, why don't we think about how they were able to achieve whatever it is they achieve, and how can I also learn from their example on how I can also achieve the same. The first reason why you feel that you may be lagging behind financially is that you are forgetting that these people have sacrificed a whole lot to attain their desired results. Have you ever looked at someone's success and thought, wow, this person really has it all? Well, I know I have. It's so easy to see someone who is thriving and assume that they have everything perfectly figured out. But what you don't see are the personal sacrifices they have made to get there, and the ones that they are still making to keep it all together. The late nights, the tears, the constant struggle of self-doubt, all these things are what they have gone through and are currently going through to achieve the desired result that they wish to achieve. When you get to know people, you will realize that the sacrifices they have made to get to where they are, you may not be willing to make those sacrifices. And understanding this will help you to stop comparing your best moments with theirs, because you cannot compare your own struggle to the struggles that they are currently going through. And the fifth reason why you look like you may be lagging behind is that you are focusing on the wrong sea. When you observe that everyone around you is more successful or have more money, it is easier to fall into that trap of competition. But collaboration can take you so much further than competition will. Collaboration can open doors that you never knew existed. And once you view people from the viewpoint of collaboration, that would automatically let down their guard to want to work with you. The final reason why you feel like you are lagging behind is that you have not focused on you for a while. When was the last time you actually spent your money on the things that genuinely makes you happy? You may have forgotten to spend on things that align with your values or the things that really bring you joy. Part of your financial journey is to also enjoy the fruits of your labor. When you make it a habit to spend your money on the things that brings you joy and makes you happy, you will start to better appreciate your financial decisions. And when you are building your own financial confidence and improving on your overall finances, you will not even have the time to focus on what other people are doing or compare yourself with other people. So take this weekend off to do the things that really makes you happy. Whatever it is, use this weekend to appreciate you for how far you have come in your financial journey. Let it be something that enriches your life and brings you so much joy. Alright, I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If you want to watch watch more of this video, please subscribe to my channel. And if this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button and drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in this video.